Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Sentry for debugging data science notebooks. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your data science notebook. Ensure you have a Sentry account created. Install the Sentry SDK in your notebook environment. You can do this by running the command pip install Sentry SDK. Import the Sentry SDK at the beginning of your notebook. Use the line, import Sentry_SDK. Next, initialize Sentry with your DSN. You will find your DSN in the Sentry project settings. Type Sentry_SDK.init, DSN equals your _DSN_ here. Replace your _DSN_ here with your actual DSN from Sentry. Now, you can set up an error handler. Add the command Sentry_SDK.init, integration satface, for additional integrations. For data science notebooks, you might want to track exceptions. Wrap your code in try except blocks. In the except block, call Sentry_SDK.capture_exception e. Run a few test cases to simulate errors. Check your Sentry dashboard to see if the errors were logged. Review the information provided for each error. You can also track performance using Sentry. To do this, use the context manager with Sentry_SDK.start_transaction. Encapsulate the code you want to track within this context manager. Test it again to confirm performance data is being captured. And that's it. You're now set up to use Sentry in your data science notebooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.